US Mobile and Boost Mobile are both MVNOs, or mobile virtual network operators. This means they use major carrier networks without owning the infrastructure themselves. US Mobile partners with Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, giving users access to multiple networks. Boost Mobile, however, operates exclusively on the T-Mobile network. US Mobile offers the flexibility to switch between these networks, providing broader coverage. This is especially useful in rural areas where Verizon excels. Boost Mobile focuses on a unified service, strong in urban areas with T-Mobile's 5G Ultra capacity, but potentially weaker in rural regions. US Mobile's plans start around $55 a month for unlimited data, with speeds up to 500 Mbps on 5G and cheaper plans available for limited data needs. Boost Mobile's unlimited plans are around $65 a month, offering up to 300 perk on T-Mobile's UC network. US Mobile is value-focused. Boost is perks-rich. US Mobile allows the user to choose their network, whereas Boost Mobile does not offer this because it's tied to T-Mobile's network. This means Boost is often stronger in urban areas.